Most people have heard that probate in California is bad news. Unless you've experienced it yourself or know someone who has, you might not know exactly what it is. Probate is the court process that assets must go through whenever anyone dies with anything titled in their own name. In California, if someone has $100,000 in total assets or real property valued over $20,000, then they will probably have to have their assets probated. So what's so bad about probate? Well, it tends to be expensive. It's time-consuming, and it's also a public process. And even if you have a will, you still have a probate. The good news? Well, probate's voluntary. The only people who have to experience a probate are people who don't plan. If the assets are owned in the name of a trust, then the family can contact a lawyer who will complete some paperwork and guide the loved ones through the process with ease and without the need for court involvement.